All right. So this is how you do it. You come here, you search for your mail, and this is the mail app. So we want to add a new account. So when they send an email, it comes straight to my computer here. So you come here, you do add account. You see you have many options. You go to advanced setup. And what we are trying to use is the IMAP or the POP. But here we'll just use the IMAP. It's the same procedure. So we go here, you put your email, your custom email. For me, it is contact at prostate cancer 411.health. Yeah, I'm going to copy that because I'll need it somewhere else. The username too should be the email also. So you paste that there. The password is the password you have. So I have my own password which I won't show you. Show. All right. So the account name I want to use, your name basically, but the account name I want to use is Martin Lee. So Martin Lee owns this app, owns this email, yeah. So send your message using this name. Same thing, Martin Lee. Yeah. Incoming server, email server is the website itself. So the website itself, if you look here, is prostate cancer 411.health. I'll copy that and drop that there. Account type should be IMAP4. That's what we're using. This outgoing SMTV server is also the website itself. You see, I'm sure all of that is correct. Then you sign in. All right, so we've signed in now. This is the fact that this just proves that the account is active. Yeah. All right, with the email contact at prostatecancer411.com and the name Martin Lee. We save that, come here, and we try to access the account. Yeah, and you see, this is what we have on the inbox. See that, so it works. Thank you for watching.